having a great week so far. I'm a little far away today because I want you to be able to see all the things, right? Okay, so we are going to talk about the very popular technique right now called reverse canvas. If you don't know what reverse canvas is, it is when you have a canvas that starts like this, traditional stretched canvas, and ends like this, okay? You are actually using the frame that is in here, under here, and you are taking off the canvas part itself and reattaching it. Now, I'm being brave, and I'm going to show you how fast and easy this is because I'm going to do it live, okay? And I only have one shot because I only have one canvas left. And I can't see who's joining. Oh, hi, Susan Mars. Susan Mars is one of my favorite people in this business. Love her. Okay. All right, so here's what you need. You need a canvas. These are 11 by 14, I think. But anyway, I posted the link up top there. There's a 7-pack of them for like 16 bucks. It's a steal. All right, okay, so you need your canvas, okay? This one, starting from the beginning, guys. I'm going to show you who else. Hi, Ellie. All right, now, on the back of your canvas, hello, Ashley, my dear Ashley. Everyone say hi to Ashley, my right-hand girl. Okay, so you got this canvas, and it has staples in the back, which you probably can't see because I'm so far away today. What you are going to do is not take your little crafty knife and pop the staples out. You are actually going to take your knife and cut along the outside of the staples. Okay, on the back side. And this is going to allow you to pull the canvas off. Now, don't rip it, okay? We need to reuse that. I'm going to put this right, no, I'm not. I'm going to just put it right here, okay? All right, now, the designs that I'm using, I cut them on HTV. I cut the 2 of them yesterday. They're actually like part of a little design set they come together. You'll see what I mean in a second. They are also part of the Sign Makers bundle, which we just released on Fontsy. All of the designs in there are from one of my favorite designers, Lily Juniper. Okay, and I put a code up there. She's got 40 designs that are exclusive. They're only available in the bundle. All right, they're not even available individually, and they're not available anywhere else. I guess that's what exclusive means. And I put a code up there for you too, so if you want to grab them. But first, just watch how easy and fast this is. All right, so like I said, first step, we are going to get this canvas off. Now, at the corners, it's kind of like triple thick because it's folded over. All right, so just carefully cut the canvas. Okay. All right, now, don't worry about the fact that the edge is going to be a little folded up. Okay, so once you get all the way around, like I said, I just used this little craft knife. I didn't bother with the staples. You can see part of the canvas is still there. Okay, and then I've got the rest of the canvas here. Now, 2 things are going to happen here. This is the part of the frame that you are going to use facing forward. Now, you can stain this or paint it, or you can do what I did and just leave it natural. Okay, that's what I'm going to do again this time. All right, quickest, easiest. That's the key here. Okay, so let's leave that to the side. Now I have my canvas. I don't even need to like flatten it out or anything. All right, take your HTV. I have mine right here. Okay, and you're going to position it. Now, this design is similar to this one where it needs to hit right where the frame goes. I sized this specifically, and there is a blog post that I linked to, and I showed you exactly how I figured out exactly what size this should be. So that part you need to do in Silhouette Studio. So what I'm going to do is just lay my frame back down there to allow me to position it. Now, I could try to line these up so that the 2 designs are exactly across from each other. Or I could try not to be so precise and intentionally make it off so then I don't have to worry about if they are not in the exact same position. And that, my friends, is how you do things fast. You intentionally make it not even, okay? I'm going to do that by putting this one's obviously down here. On this frame down here, I'm going to put the design up towards the top, okay? Now, one thing that I did mess up with is when I cut this, I nested the two designs together, and then I cut them apart, and I cut the two pieces apart that I needed. So just don't mind me. Now I have to reposition. I have to manually position this, okay? All right, so got my design. Everything is set. Okay, now I'm just going to place the whole thing on my heat press. I am using a pressing pad, which I think is crucial. Pressing pillow, excuse me. Okay, I think it's really important to use a pressing pillow for these because the canvas is so thin that you want to make sure you get enough pressure. So 20 seconds on here. Okay, I have my glue gun warmed up. Now again, this is fast, easy method. If you want to use staples, have at it. Okay, now one thing, if you want to pull this out, you can. It just will come right off. I'm not actually pulling the staples out. I'm just pulling the rest of the canvas away. Okay, we hear you. All right, now, okay, now you can just pull the carrier sheets off, okay, and you're all done with that. Let's turn that off. Okay, now I'm going to finish just pulling this extra little canvas piece off. You don't have to do this part. I just want to make sure that the glue sticks, so that's why I'm doing it. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Trash right there. Okay. Now, most designs, it's not going to be so crucial that they are exactly lined up. But for this one, because we've got that piece going across, I need to make sure that my frame is in the exact position. So what I'm going to do is position it and hold it while I flip it over, okay? Then I'm going to take some thumbtacks. This thing gives me fits every time I try to open it. And I'm just going to place a couple of them so that my canvas doesn't move while I'm trying to do this, okay? And you want to pull it tight. Pull it really tight. So you can use these tacks, or you can use like some clips to clip it on there while you're doing this. Now just double check that it hasn't moved. Okay? Yep, looks good. Okay, now, glue gun. Literally, just going to work, I would say, in about 6-inch sections. I need another glue thing, and also a third hand. And we're going to glue right onto the frame, okay? Now, while you do this, you want to make sure that you are pulling the canvas taut, okay? Once you start going, it's a little easier. The first couple are the most challenging, okay? But you do want to make sure that you pull it tight. All right, and press it down. Again, if you want to use staples, you can. This is the fast method. Okay? Okay? All right. Pull it taut as you're going. Remember, what's helping is the fact that I have the canvas stuck in a couple of places with my pins. Okay? I'm going to keep going around, pulling taut as I go, because you don't want any wrinkles in there. Okay. All the sides. Whoopsie. So far, so good, huh, guys? First of all, if you're commenting, if you're commenting, I can't see because first of all, it's too far away. And second of all, I got my head buried in this reverse canvas. So if you're just joining us, we are doing fast, easy reverse canvas, okay? Now, the nice thing about the glue is that if you get your canvas going and it's not quite right, you can pull it up, okay? All right. Now, I've got this flap on the side. Okay, you are going to take your knife again. This time, angle it in a little bit and cut right under the frame, all the way down on all four sides to trim away this extra canvas, okay? You want to do it in at an angle a little bit so you get it right under the frame. So you guys, while I'm doing this, my daughter, you know, Olivia, she's been on the blog a bunch of times. She was 5 when I started the blog. Well, she's 10 now, and they do 5th grade science camp at her school. We didn't do this when I was in school, but it's part of the curriculum here in California. So she left today to go on the ultimate field trip. She's going to be gone at science camp in Big Bear until Friday, and we can't talk to them. We can't have any communication with them. They sleep in cabins. It's like the coolest thing ever. She's been so excited. Of course, my son Blake's excited because he has us all to himself. Okay, there you go. That's it. So I have created both of these. You saw how fast and easy that is. This is a really, really easy project. You can make all kinds of variations on it. Again, you can stain the frame, you can paint the frame. If you really wanted to do the back side of the canvas, this would look like drop cloth. If you turned it around, it's more of the natural side, okay? And if you want to hang these, you can put a little hanger up here. If you are selling these and you want to put some kind of like framing paper on the back, you can do that as well, okay? But you saw how fast and easy that was. I don't know how long that's been, like 10 minutes, okay? And if I can do it in front of all 500 of my friends, my closest friends, you can certainly do this, okay? All right, so as I said, this set of designs is part of the Sign Makers Bundle, which is on Fontsy right now. I got you guys a coupon code, 15 off Lily, 40 designs, 40 signed designs for $18.99, but you get extra 15% off with that coupon, so it comes to like 16 bucks. It's a steal. They're all commercial use too, all right? All right, guys, I hope you learned a little something. Let me see your reverse canvases. Throw them up in the comments, and I'll see you soon.